I'm seeing now. This message goes direct to this nation I'm seeing. I am seeing the nation of Philippians cracking. This is earthquake. I saw a terrible earthquake that's going to kill a lot of people. So that says we should cover Philippians with the blood of Jesus and ask God to save lives. Amen. Because Philippians will be in trouble with this earthquake I saw. I want to open your mouth and pray for Philippians. Pray in the mighty name of Jesus. Of Jesus Christ we pray. Everyone of us say amen.
Amen. Several people are dead and more than 100 injured after a powerful earthquake hit the Philippines today. The 6.6 magnitude quake was caused by the movement of a fault line in the country's south. It triggered landslides and damaged several buildings in the area. Another tremor hit the region earlier this month. Tina Kraus has the latest.
The shaking lasted up to a minute in some areas. Witnesses say they thought it would never stop.
Oh my God, that was really strong.
The 6.6 magnitude quake sent people running from homes and buildings on the southern Philippine island of Mindanao. Some victims were crushed under debris, including a teenage boy who died when a wall fell as he was trying to escape his school. The quake triggered landslides, killing several more people and injuring dozens of others. The region is still reeling from a deadly quake that struck less than 2 weeks ago. Some of the same buildings have been hit again and are now threatening to crumble. The Philippines is prone to earthquakes because it's located on the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire. Most of the world's seismic activity occurs on this stretch of faults around the Pacific Ocean. Tina Kraus, CBS News.